What's up, adventure seekers and safety-conscious drivers? You're on a remote mountain road, your tire goes flat, your phone's dead, and it's getting dark. Scary, right? Well, today I'm breaking down the top 10 emergency and survival tools that could literally save your life in 2025. From multi-tools that do everything except make your coffee, to radios that work when the power grid doesn't know we've got you covered. So hit that subscribe button because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what gear belongs in your car and backpack. Starting strong at number 1, the Everlit Car Emergency Kit, and this thing is basically roadside assistance in a bag. What sets this apart is that it was designed by experienced veterans and emergency experts who know what actually works in real-world situations. This isn't just a random collection of tools, every item was hand-picked for maximum effectiveness. The digital tire inflator is brilliant and lightweight, compact, with auto shoot-off function. You just plug it into your 12 volts outlet, set your desired pressure, and it automatically stops when reached. The LED light makes nighttime tire changes actually possible, and you get 3 extra nozzles for air mattresses and other inflatables. The 12-foot, 8-gauge jumper cables are properly engineered. Unlike those thin cables in cheap kits, these 300-amp cables will actually start your car. They're UL listed for safety and long enough to connect vehicles that aren't parked perfectly. But the 108-piece first aid kit is where this really shines. You get alcohol pads, multiple bandage types, wound pads, sting relief, gloves, medical tape, CPR mask, tweezers, safety pins, antiseptic wipes, basically everything for proper wound treatment until professional help arrives. The additional gear includes repair cable ties, bungee cords, electrical tape, space blanket, rain poncho, reflective warning triangle, glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, safety gloves, and that crucial 12-foot, 10,000-pound tow rope. This kit covers virtually every roadside emergency scenario. Plus, Everlit offers 60-day hassle-free returns and a 1-year warranty. They stand behind their gear. Number 2 might surprise you, it's the Leatherman Raptor Rescue Shears, and while it looks simple, this tool is engineered for life or death situations. Leatherman has 40 years of multi-tool expertise, and these shears represent decades of feedback from emergency professionals. They're manufactured in Portland, Oregon, and backed by a 25-year warranty that's confidence in quality. What makes these special? First, they're designed for emergency medical situations where every second counts. The shears lock when holstered, so you can wear them upside down on your belt for lightning-fast access. EMT professionals in the reviews say they rely on these shears shift after shift. The carbide glass breaker can shatter car windshields in emergencies crucial for rescue situations. The integrated strap and ring cutter gives you enhanced capabilities when every cut matters. But here's what's genius. While they're designed for emergency response, they work perfectly as industrial shears, fabric shears, kitchen shears, or garden shears. The stainless steel construction cleans easily and stays sharp. While these aren't the cheapest option, when you need precision cutting tools that absolutely cannot fail, Leatherman delivers. Emergency responders, medical professionals, and serious preparedness enthusiasts swear by these. Number 3 takes us to tactical shovels with this Suprock model that brings some unique features that set it apart from the pack. This is their 24-in-1 multifunction design using 3CR13 high-carbon stainless steel with integrated casting technology. That's engineering speak for built to last forever. The chromium and high-carbon steel mixture creates a tool that can handle any shock or impact. What's cool about this specific model is the adjustable handle system. You can go from 16.92 inches all the way up to 39.37 inches, and it folds into a compact 10 by 7-inch carrying case. The tool count is impressive: shovel, axe, knife, saw, hoe, hook, stick, spanner, corkscrew, whistle, igniter, ice cone, fish scale scraper, compass, and more. The lifetime replacement service shows they stand behind the quality. The fire starter function is particularly well designed for camping and survival situations. This offers excellent value for the build quality and versatility. It's perfect for car emergency kits where space is premium but you need maximum functionality. At number 4, we have the Midland DR310 emergency radio, a device that could keep you informed and alive during natural disasters. What sets the ER310 apart is its triple power system. You can charge it via solar panel, hand crank, or the built-in 2600 mAh rechargeable battery. That battery alone gives you up to 32 hours of radio operation, and you can also use 6AA batteries as backup. The NOAA weather scan feature is genuinely life-saving. It automatically scans all 7 weather band channels and locks onto the strongest signal, then alerts you with an alarm when severe weather is heading your way. You also get standard AM/FM radio for news and communication. The emergency flashlight system is well-designed 130 lumens of bright Cree LED light with high and low settings, plus an SOS beacon that flashes Morse code. That could help search and rescue teams locate you from a distance. Here's a unique feature, the ultrasonic dog whistle. In search and rescue situations, this can help teams with K9 units locate survivors more quickly. The USB charging port lets you power up your phone or other devices, making this radio a true emergency communication hub. This is essential for anyone in hurricane, tornado, or earthquake-prone areas. Number 5 is the Suncoon Survival Shovel and Axe set, and this one's built for serious outdoor adventurers who demand military-grade reliability. The construction quality here is outstanding. The shovel head uses thickened high-carbon steel that's surface-hardened and heat-treated, while the handle is military-grade aviation aluminum alloy, giving you strength without excessive weight. The camping axe is forged from 3CR13 stainless steel using a special process that makes it ultra-strong and rust-resistant. The blade geometry is optimized for chopping, splitting, hammering, and even self-defense if needed. But here's where it gets interesting. This is truly an all-in-one kit. You get shovel, axe, cutter, saw, hoe, hook, stick, wrench, screwdriver, bottle opener, hunting spear, whistle, fire starter, ice piton, window breaker, fish scale scraper, and compass. That's incredible versatility. The modular design is brilliant. 3 screw-on extension handles that are 7.5 millimeters thick let you customize the length from compact carry to full 37.8-inch extension. Everything breaks down into the included storage pouch. This is perfect for serious hikers, hunters, and off-road enthusiasts who need tools that won't fail when lives depend on them. At number 6, we have the KELVIN 8 Auto Emergency Tool, and this compact device might just save your life in a car emergency. What makes this special is how they've packed 8 critical emergency functions into one handheld device. You get a 2000 mAh power bank, window safety hammer, integrated seatbelt cutter, 100 decibel siren, 4-setting LED flashlight with SOS signal, electronic flare with 4 magnets, and a smooth hand crank generator. The real-world application here is crucial. You're trapped in your car after an accident. The seatbelt cutter and window breaker can get you out fast. The magnets let you attach the device to your car so the LED flashers stay visible while you signal for help. The 100 decibel siren can be heard from far away. What I love is the hand crank power generation. When your phone's dead and you need to call for help, a few cranks can give you enough power for that emergency call. The whole thing is only 9.5 by 2 by 3 inches, so it fits easily in your glove compartment or door pocket. This is essential for every family vehicle, especially if you have teen drivers or elderly family members. Number 7 brings us another multi-tool masterpiece, this 28-in-1 camping shovel axe set that's like having an entire tool shed that fits in your backpack. The engineering here is impressive. We're talking hardened, heat-treated military carbon steel for the shovel head with a chromium and high-carbon steel axe that's designed to withstand serious abuse. The military-grade aluminum handle makes it lightweight but incredibly tough. Here's what you actually get in this compact package: shovel, flashlight, saw, axe, hoe, hexagon wrench, scissors, multifunction tools, bottle opener, screw set, compass, whistle, hunting knife, and that's just scratching the surface of the 28 tools. The portability factor is huge. It folds down to just 9.45 inches but extends to over 40 inches when you need maximum leverage. Assembly takes minutes and everything stores in the included box. This is perfect for serious outdoor enthusiasts who need professional-grade tools but can't carry a full toolbox. It's an incredible value for the tool count and build quality. Coming in at number 8, the Iron Snow Condor Emergency Radio, and this thing is an absolute powerhouse. We're talking about a 20,000 mAh battery capacity. That's enough to charge your phone multiple times and keep your family connected during extended outages. What sets this apart from cheaper emergency radios? First, it receives all 7 NOAA weather stations with crystal clear sound, giving you real-time updates on hurricanes, tornadoes, and severe weather. Plus, you get standard AM/FM channels for news and entertainment. The charging options are incredible: a solar panel, hand crank, or USB-C input. That bidirectional USB-C port is genius because it can both charge the radio and output power to your devices. The hand crank and solar panel can fully regenerate that massive battery. Now, the lighting system is where they really innovated. Instead of just a basic flashlight, you get a rear-mounted reading lamp that's angled perfectly to reduce eye strain, plus a 4-mode flashlight with far beam, low beam, mixed beam, and SOS flashing. In emergency mode, both lights can run over 100 hours. The survival handle includes a compass, cutter, whistle, and fire starter. This radio could be your lifeline when everything else fails. Number 9 is for those who like to be prepared for any mechanical emergency, the DEKOPRO 228-piece auto repair tool set. This is basically having a mechanic's garage in a compact toolbox. Here's what blows my mind: 228 pieces of high-quality chrome-finished tools that meet ANSI standards. You get wrenches, ratchets, a complete range of metric sockets in both 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch sizes, precision screwdrivers, hammer, tape measure, pliers, the list goes on. The real genius is in the details. That 72-tooth ratchet? It needs just a 5-degree movement to change direction, super handy in tight spaces. The variety of screwdriver bits covers Phillips, slotted, square, star, and posy heads. The blow-molded case keeps everything organized and dirt-resistant with that unique diamond pattern design. At about 13 pounds and measuring 17.5 by 13.5 inches, it's substantial but totally worth having in your garage or truck. This makes it incredible value for the tool count. And rounding out our top 10 at number 10, the Sahara Sailor Tactical Shovel Kit. And folks, this isn't your grandpa's garden shovel. This beast transforms from a compact 16.5 inches to nearly 39 inches of pure survival power. What makes this special? It's not just a shovel, it's like having a Swiss Army knife on steroids. You get an axe, compass, whistle, pliers, knife, hammer, screwdriver, flint for fire starting, and even a whetstone to keep everything sharp. The shovel and axe are made from military-grade carbon steel that's rust-proof and wear-resistant. But here's my favorite feature: the integrated paracord and dual-color emergency flashlight. That paracord isn't just rope. It can secure tents, become fishing line, or even help with emergency repairs. The flashlight has both white and red light modes for different emergency scenarios. Everything packs into this organized toolbox that's actually portable. It's perfect for serious campers and off-road enthusiasts who need professional-grade gear. So there you have it, the top 10 emergency and survival tools that could literally save your life in 2025. From the comprehensive Everlit car kit that handles roadside emergencies, to specialized tools like the LEATHERMAN Raptor Shears for precision cutting, to multi-function survival shovels that replace entire toolboxes. The key takeaway? Don't wait for an emergency to think about emergency preparedness. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, daily commuter, or just want peace of mind for your family, having the right tools can mean the difference between a minor inconvenience and a life-threatening situation. I've put links to all these products in the description below, along with where to find the best deals. Which tool impressed you most? Are there any emergency situations I missed? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped you think about emergency preparedness, smash that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews and safety content. Ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Stay safe out there, and remember, it's better to have these tools and never need them than to need them and not have them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.